Hey there! Today, we're diving into a topic that's bound to bring a smile to your face. Foods that can have a positive impact on your mood and overall well-being. Whether you're feeling down or just want to maintain a positive mindset, what you eat plays a significant role in how you feel. So let's explore 7 delicious and nutritious foods that can help boost your mood and make you feel fantastic. Each food comes with additional details, tips, and anecdotes to engage you further. 1. Dark chocolate. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite treat, dark chocolate. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it's also loaded with flavonoids and antioxidants that improve blood flow to your brain, enhancing cognitive function and mood. Plus, savoring a piece of dark chocolate can bring a sense of pleasure and relaxation. Go ahead and indulge. 2. Fatty fish. Example, salmon, mackerel. Next on our list are omega-3 powerhouses like salmon and mackerel. These fish support heart health and contain EPA and DHA fatty acids, which are vital for brain function and mood regulation. Including fatty fish in your diet regularly may help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. 3. Berries. Example, blueberries, strawberries. Now, let's talk about berries. Bursting with vibrant colors and flavors, these delicious fruits are also packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, promoting a positive mood and overall well-being. Add berries to your meals or snacks for a nutritious and delightful treat. 4. Greek yogurts. Moving on to Greek yogurt, a versatile and creamy delight that's rich in protein and probiotics. Protein stabilizes blood sugar levels, keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day, while probiotics support gut health, closely linked to mood and mental health. So enjoy a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with your favorite fruits and nuts for a refreshing and satisfying snack. 5. Nuts. Example, almonds, walnuts. Don't forget about nuts, nature's bite-sized powerhouses. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients like magnesium, which is crucial for regulating mood and reducing stress. Keep a handful of nuts nearby for a quick and satisfying mood-boosting snack. 6. Leafy greens. Example, spinach, kale. Let's chat about leafy greens, the superheroes of the vegetable world. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that support brain health and cognitive function. They're also rich in folate, a B vitamin that's essential for synthesizing mood-boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. 7. Bananas. Last but not least, we have nature's convenient mood booster in a peel, bananas. These delicious and portable fruits are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Enjoy a banana as a pre-workout snack, or blend it into a smoothie for a natural mood lift. So, there you have it. 7 mood-boosting foods to add to your grocery list and incorporate into your daily meals and snacks. By nourishing your body with these nutrient-packed options, you can support your mental health and well-being while indulging in delicious flavors and textures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let us know in the comments which of these mood-boosting foods you're excited to try, or if you have any favorite recipes to share. Until next time, take care, eat well, and keep smiling.